Hi, this is David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative cell therapies. Today the topic is, how in the world was R3 Stem Cell International able to achieve a $2,950 price point on a comprehensive stem cell therapy that includes 30 million live stem cells? Well, I'm going to tell you how we were able to achieve it, and it's not been easy. So for the last couple years, we've been searching throughout Mexico for the highest quality lab with a perfect safety record that adheres to safety standards that are actually higher than what the FDA necessitates here in the United States. And we found that with a lab that has a 5-year history of a perfect safety record with very, very high cell counts. And we used our purchasing power to negotiate very low cost of that biologic so that we could pass through all those savings to patients. It's in Tijuana. It's a beautiful clinic, and you receive a VIP escort from San Diego to the clinic and back. We've done hundreds of cases with very, very good outcomes, very safe, and for the low cost of only $2,950. Now, what does that include? 30 million live stem cells, either IV, preceded by a multivitamin infusion, which is included, or it could be 2 joints, okay? So, in addition, if you want 20 million more live cells, then we'll do that for simply $1,000 extra. Now, if you want to bring 2 people, you and a friend, loved one, what have you, we wouldn't do $2,950 times 2. We would do it at $5,400, so it's a $500 savings, so it gets even better. Okay. Now, we also have packages. So, for instance, if you have really bad kidney failure, COPD, or what have you, you may need repeat procedures over the course of a year. So we'll work with you on a package so that it's even more cost effective. These types of cell counts don't exist in the United States because of the FDA regulations. So our lab is able to culture the material, and we make sure that it's between the 2nd and the 5th generation. I'll explain what that means in a separate video, but it's very important, okay? You don't want to get to the 10th, 15th generation. The stem cells are not as effective. They're not as active, okay? So we make sure it's between the 2nd and 5th generation. And the lab adheres to the same high safety standards as far as serology and infectious disease testing, working with the mother throughout the pregnancy with nutrition and vitamins to make sure that obviously it helps the baby, but the products of conception are very high quality that get donated, afterwards. All right, it's a very ethical process that benefits both the mother and the eventual recipient, and the lab controls the whole process. Nothing is outsourced. A lot of labs here in the United States do that, which is not great. Visit us online today at stemcelltreatmentclinic.com, and then call us at 888-988-0515. We'll get you in for a free phone consultation to see if you are a candidate for stem cell therapy at R3 Stem Cell International.